This is from Benefit to me. 근데 그 열어야 되는데 귀찮아서 1번 열고 말았어. 코 인사한다. 코.
Number 1. Oh, it's eyeliner.
Okay.
Polar lash eyeliner.
Brow.
Brow pencil. Yeah, I have
Compact. Benefit gave it to me.
for me.
Gave it to me.
For me.
Benefit,
Thank you,
who's
Benefit.
Who's
Company?
Who's Benefit?
Thank you, Benefit. You're so nice to me. You gave me so many gifts this year. They're real. I use this. You don't wear makeup.
Hi.
You can have this,
Professional.
Ashley. You want some professionals? Roller lash.
They have everything.
6. A mini gimme brow.
Oh, nice size. Actually, it works.
This is like all my compact makeup that I can take.
Hello?
Hey.
Benefit gave it to me?
No, Benefit gave this to me for Christmas. I love you, Benefit. Thank you. Bag opening. I also use this.
It was one of your favorite.
Brow setter. I've never used brow setter before. Dandelion.
Very cute color.
Another professional
Light, right?
hydrating primer.
Hydrating.
Okay, the last one. Powerful lifting and lengthening
Oh,
mascara.
mascara.
So many mascara.
Cool items. Thank you, Benefit. Not you, me.
From me.